Hey guys, this is the Plushtoon here on his second channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the Mario Kart edition of this Mario Kart. It's pretty cool actually. I found this in Game Station ages ago. That's why I haven't even got the box that it came in, but I thought I'd just do a little review to show you guys. It comes with an awesome well, no, not awesome, but it says Mario Kart. It's got a few scratches on it because I've had it for a while. Batteries go in there, switch there. This button to go forward, that button to reverse. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a gear so you can turn it, because the car wheels are actually fixed into position so they don't move sideways, they only move forwards. That goes with the front and the back. So I'll just move on to this little car thing. It is from the video game Mario Kart Wii. His head moves sideways. Looks pretty much like Mario. Arms move. These little engine things light up with red lights when it moves. It's got a little rubber thing there so it grips onto the surface where it's going. Bottom it has battery thingy. You can't put it in the bin. A little switch to go on and off. And that's pretty much the car. So let's have a little look at this thing in action. So you just press this for it to move forwards, this for it to move backwards, and you notice the red lights shine. But yeah, that's pretty much all it does. It goes pretty fast actually. Yep, it nearly falls off. But yeah, if you want to see it crash into something, then here we go. Yeah, I'm going to stop doing that. And then you just switch it back off, obviously. And it is a very nice addition. I don't think there was a Luigi one, but I think there might have been a Donkey Kong one. So if I ever see that in Game Station, I'll pick it up next time. Please comment, subscribe.